After all, what is One Piece treasure? You must have wondered it sometime, or the other. Today we will tell you. The One Piece itself is the single biggest mystery in the One Piece franchise and inspired its very title. For so many years, Luffy and other pirates like him have scoured the Grand Line and the four seas to find the fabled One Piece treasure, which Gol D. Roger left behind. There's no hint about what it is or what it does, but fans do know for sure that it's a solid object. Most likely One Piece will answer this question at the last moment during the franchise's climax, revealing the item's role in the conflict. There's little doubt that the One Piece will change the outcome of the Revolutionary Army's war against the world government, and it may even connect to the Void Century and the nature of Joy Boy.